Crypto prices are rising today, and things are finally starting to look a little bit better. Guys, we're going to take any green day that we can right now. We're going to take any level of gains that we can right now. And unfortunately, the fear and greed index is still sitting at a level of 8 extreme fear. But we do have Bitcoin up nearly 5%. Ethereum up over 8%. Solana around 8%. Look at Bitcoin Cash up almost 10% on the day today. As prices are rising, sentiment will rise as well. Now, I've been going through some news articles. We're going to spend a little bit of time on what Thailand is doing, and we're going to talk about a major winner that we've been covering in anti-hunter. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing discussions, analysis, and news about crypto, NFTs, and other blockchain technology. That's all that this video is, right? It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the latest cryptocurrency news. Now, I'm going to jump back into this project in a second here. We've been going over it. It is nearly a 20+X increase from where it was when it launched just a couple of days ago. Now, clearly, this is a major signal that people are still buying crypto. And we're going to talk about another one at the end of the video that could be doing even better. But first, let's set the stage for what's going on in the macroeconomic environment across the globe. It says the Thai cabinet has paved a way to fully regulate Bitcoin ETFs and crypto futures trading by early this year. By approving an amendment in the Derivatives Act, local media reports said that the move aims to modernize Thailand's derivatives market in line with international standards while strengthening regulatory oversight and investor protection. Now, of course, the question asked in the headline here is Asian money about to flood in? What we know is that derivatives markets are extremely important in cryptocurrency price action. Okay, it's not just ETFs, but when you've got leverage trading taking place and you've got hundreds of millions, usually billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency being bought and sold, it has a huge impact on the overall price. And if nations across the globe are starting to catch up, if nations across the globe are starting to catch on, and if they begin buying cryptocurrency en masse, we are going to see a huge influx. Now, it goes on to say that commenting on the move, SEC Secretary General, whatever this guy's name is, said that the expansion will strengthen the recognition of crypto as an asset class, promote market inclusiveness, enhance portfolio diversification for fully regulating Bitcoin ETFs and crypto futures trading by early this year, and improve risk management for investors. Guys, this is a huge step in the right direction. And I believe we're going to be seeing this not just in Thailand, but all across the world. And I believe that this market is going to continue growing immensely. And it will reward those who are willing to get in when everybody else is fearful. Look, yeah, it's a risk, right? I get it. It's still a relatively new industry. It's a risk to buy when everybody else is afraid. But look at what happens when you're willing to take a risk. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. But if you're willing to jump into some of these new projects, massive gain potential is there. And that's what the early investors in Anti-Hunter here did. And that's what the early investors in tokens like Bitcoin Hyper could do as well. Now, tomorrow's not guaranteed in any way. But I do know that a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin is going to solve a lot of problems. And if Bitcoin Hyper can solve all of those problems, I believe that it could see a massive value spike. So $31.4 million raised so far is actually incredible. Not just because of the number, but because it did all of this raise at a time when everybody was showing fear and extreme fear. The last several months have been insane in terms of declines, in terms of fear, in terms of sentiment. But projects like this are able to thrive. And projects like this could do so as well. So I've actually bought into Bitcoin Hyper, and if you guys are interested in buying in as well, you can use that link down in the description below. Check it out for yourself first. Clearly make your own decision. But let me know what you guys do end up deciding down in the comments. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.